Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category when you see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three bedroom apartments are available on Praxitelous. Enjoy your stay. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by comment